afternoon. This is the 45th edition of FRO. FRO is our multi-city exhibition wherein we give platform for the franchisors and investors to meet, and we showcase business opportunities from all sectors, from education, from food and beverage, from service sector, from apparel, from jewelry, from beauty, wellness. So these companies come to our show who are into franchising, and they expand in that, and we help through FROs companies expand pan-India. So FRO is giving opportunity to expand in all major cities of the country, and also we invite people from other states. In Hyderabad we are targeting entire Andhra Pradesh, and also people from Chennai, from Karnataka, from Kerala. So we have marketed there and bringing in people. We help companies through our other exhibitions as well. We do over 52 exhibitions in a year, and these small exhibitions are BOS, wherein we reach tier 2, tier 3 cities and help people expand in all parts of the country. And in this show we are targeting 4,000 to 5,000 people in 2 days in entire from entire Andhra Pradesh, and showcasing business opportunities starting from 5 lakhs to couple of crores. There are international companies who are participating. For example, we have New Zealand Naturals. They are looking for expansion, and they already have their outlets in Chennai. So now they are targeting Andhra Pradesh market. So they got very good response in South India. So they've moved to Andhra Pradesh also. And there are other food chains as well who are participating. And we have 2 salon brands who are participating with us. The show has grown year on year. This is our 7th show in Hyderabad, so we are expecting very good growth, and we've always got about 30 to 35% growth. And we've organized a conference as well along with the exhibition, wherein we provide complete insight of franchising business through the experts, to the leading experts in the industry. There's a 30 to 35% growth. And then previously we had seen a lot of education companies participating with us, but this last 2 years we have got a lot of other brands participating in food, in jewelry, in salon, and lifestyle companies. They are also getting into franchising, and they have started participating with us.